My dear colleagues and young researchers, including students of Altai State University. I am Akio Misaki, the visiting professor of Altai State University, as well as President Emeritus Saitama University, Japan. And I am participating in the International Cosmic Ray Conference managed by Professor Raguchi. I feel it honor to send short message to you in video on the occasions that Professor Raguchi is awarded a diploma due to the successful management of the joint conference, Russian Cosmic Ray Conference, with the extended European Cosmic Ray Symposium at Barnaul, Russia, from 6th to 10th July in the last summer. Exactly speaking, Professor Raguchi's administrative success is based on his brilliant scientific achievement in Altai State University for a long time. In the analytical theory in the electromagnetic cascade studies, there have been these three schools in the cosmic ray community in the world. One is Japan and the two is Russia. Namely, Nishimura Kamata School, Japan, Ivanenko School, Moscow, and Misaki and the Raguchi School, Altai, with different approaches to the problem concerned. Now, due to tremendous progress in the electronic computer, the analytical theory are now going to be replacing the so-called Monte Carlo simulation techniques. Nevertheless, still the effectiveness of analytical theories have never been lost, particularly in the joint method theory developed by Professor Misaki and Raguchi in Altai State University. In the opening ceremony of Russian and European Joint Conference, Professor Raguchi made an opening address entirely based on the scientific achievement attained by the Cosmic Ray Group of Altai State University, by Misaki, Raguchi, and Prechashnikov around their joint theory. I was deeply impressed with the talk by Professor Raguchi, whose works have been carried out far from Moscow, the biggest scientific center in Russia. However, the achievements are never be inferior to Moscow's one. Of course, the main purpose of my present message is to stimulate highly young colleagues and students in cosmic ray physics at Altai State University. You should never be satisfied with the present comfortable situations which are prepared by Professor Raguchi and his colleagues. Young generation should try to cooperate positively with the corresponding one on abroad. Fortunately, I am the visiting professor of your university, and for these reasons, I could mediate between Altai and Saitama or Russia and Japan. We, Misaki Saitama side and Professor Raguchi and the Riking on Altai side, are now examining the establishment of the cooperative system between Saitama and Altai. I would desire that the young generation is much interested in such collaboration systems, and you are welcome for your participation in it. Finally, I would emphasize the importance of the invitation of Russian Gamma Ray Astronomy Project to Barnaul region. If Altai State University succeeded in it, then Altai State University becomes surely the big center of Russian cosmic ray research. For example, it is desirable that a group of computer numerical experiments should be organized in the cosmic ray group of Altai State University. In conclusion, your generation of cosmic ray laboratory in Altai State University should utilize the chance of the award given to Professor Raguchi effectively and should extend the ability much more internationally. In this case, I am very happy I could cooperate with the young generation, cooperating with Professor Raguchi and Raikin. Thank you very much for your kind attention.